Hey amigos, what's going on? It's another episode of F2 TV. But this time is a little different. It's about to be Halloween pretty soon. So what we're gonna do here in F2 TV is we're gonna make a piñata. You know what a piñata is? You don't? Oh no, you do. I know you do because everybody knows a piñata is the best. It's full of goodies. Sometimes there's monies. It's overall the best thing ever created by God himself because it has everything you can ever want in life. Candy bars, chocolate thingies, and bubblegum. Now you may be asking yourself, Papi, how are you gonna do it? You never made one before. I got my wife. She's gonna help me today. Is that okay with you?
Yeah!
Hey, there we go. And because it's almost Halloween time and today's a very special episode, she dressed up for all you guys because she likes you. And because she take a long time to get ready and the dress is so tight, she gonna stay like that till Halloween comes for everybody. She doesn't speak very good the English, so what I can do for her is introduce all the stuff that she's gonna use here today. Today here we have Elmer's glue. One thing you're gonna need is this thing. Another thing you're gonna need is this thing. You're gonna have to use a pencil too, and hopefully it's a number 2 pencil. This next item is very popular with the cholas. Check it out. It's eyeliner.
Power of the Sharpie.
But some people like to call it Sharpie. Color black. This next item is a very dangerous item, okay? So kids, be careful with these and let your parents do the cutting. This is a cutter. You're also gonna have to use some tape, okay? Try this one. You're also gonna need this. I can't go like this, because then it's gonna disappear. That's why it has to be here. Okay, we're almost done, okay? Next item we need is a gancho or a hanger. Depending on what language you speak, this is what you need. Another important thing you're gonna need is scissors, and they're right here. Orale! Rock, paper, scissors. I win. Rock, paper, scissors. Otra vez. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, the power of the scissors. Okay, last item that we need is over here. Follow me. It's a cardboard box. Extra large size, okay? It's so heavy. Okay, are you ready? Do you have all these materials? Okay then, let's start. What are we waiting for? Let's go!